Okay, so I'm gonna go easy on myself and just get rid of what I know is trash. Doesn't say how anticlimactic if if that's the only one. It's not. This is an actual Ziploc bag. I can't do this. I shouldn't do this. I did a bit of Amazon shopping early in the pandemic and for new clothes, because I don't know if I've told you guys, but I have lost 30 pounds in the last 11 months at this point. So I got a lot of these. I mean, for Ziploc bags, they're nice, you know, and they have a good slider on them. So, but we're not going to use them for project bags. We might use them for sorting something, but for right now, they're going in the trash. We can get more. Oh, speaking of more, get a little closer. We have another one. Big one. So let's look. Bless you. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to count this one. 4. Stop. 5. 6. Now, I'd be misleading you if I didn't already know that there's another one right here that I am currently using as a project bag. So when we get to that, we'll put it in an actual cloth project bag. Not gonna get up from my laziness right now. All right, so what else is over here? This needs to go downstairs. So right now we're just gonna move it off the shelf. Let's see. Liquid Stitch should go, I don't even have to get up. It should go in here with the other sticky stuff. Maybe these two. Labels are sticky. We'll stick them there also. Magnets also stick stuff together, guys. Wow. Maybe I didn't have room in this bin before. Drawer. Crazy. That looks like I cleaned something. So that's trash. So let's talk about this. Because I'm gonna dig down. Let's talk about this. These are so cute, right? Food taste wise, I like Chick-fil-A, which, let me get a little closer. Not gonna focus. Is it gonna focus? There you go. This is Chick-fil-A, I think they're called premiums from Chick-fil-A Kids Meal. I thought these, yeah, and I already took the stuff out of them. These are adorable little containers that apparently you need both hands to open. Or use your good hand. So who couldn't use some tins, right? I should probably get rid of these, but maybe I'll come across some scissors, come across in my sewing room. maybe I'll come across some scissors that fit in there, and I can put, scissors, a teeny tiny stitch ripper, which I do have those. I think they will fit in there. And what are they called? Needles to weave ends in, and I can just throw these in my crochet and knit project bags, because I don't like having to look for stuff, believe it or not, considering the state of my art room at the present time. I don't like to go looking for stuff. If I'm working on a project, I want everything to be there and ready to go. So maybe I'll make up some kits with my current, I want to say my current works in progress, but honestly, guys, this is it right now. Yes? Over on the door, hiding right there, I do have that sock project bag with the sock in it, but believe it or not, it's been since Christmas. My hand hurts. My pinky hurts. It doesn't bother it more when I crochet. It does kind of when I knit. So that's in a bit of a timeout, but that project bag would fit this little kit. So maybe I'll do that. I'm not going to get rid of these yet. And that also brings up, is this the place to keep them? So do I want to keep them there? I think the answer is going to be yes, because this is my crochet cart. So if I have multiple whips going, this is where they should live. And if I'm done with the whip, this is where the tin should live. You guys following my thought process? Tell me what you think. So, you guys see the hand? I did not have room. I have 2 of them. I got these at a yard sale for like $1 a piece. And the reason I got them is to model stuff on without having to use my own hand. And if you look, they have more color than I do. All I do is, look pink or purple. So, do these belong here? I think they might, but not on this shelf. So I'm going to temporarily move them. This is kind of how my process works. I temporarily move stuff to get one area where it should be, and then I work on the next area, and I might have to move more stuff, if you follow me. This belongs with this, which I'm being too lazy to get up. I have to figure out where I'm going to keep that sort of stuff. So let's move this other hand. I might be able to use this as a cross-stitch project bag, but it should be with the rest of my project bags. So that goes in the lap, because that definitely needs to be put someplace else. This is decor. It should go on my wall. I have to find a unused nail. I think I took it down the last time I rearranged things. So yeah, I have to find where to put it back up. My mom made it. These are for a craft project Really? Really? So these are for a craft project. They're not for crocheting, so they should go with our craft stuff. And because I can't actually reach it, I'm just going to put them on the floor behind me, right next to where they go. You guys already saw. Oh my god. Alright, I'm going to show you what she just did. If there's any spot, she will shove herself in there. You'll be able to get out? Huh? What are you doing? Thank you. So, I'll show you guys, with the exception of the first page, because that has Comcast ticket number on it. So, I had written down an adult pattern. We got a cat fight going on. That was sales. When I made an African flower hippo for my sister. Heidi Bears was the pattern. So I was checking off, you know, how many I needed to do, what I had done. And then, oh, I got some stuff at the back too. Let me check that out. Okay, so the rest, I had stuff at the back with some business notes. Don't need your help, Minnie. So off camera, I'm going to rip these pages out because they're not pertinent to anything that I'm doing now, and recycle some and shred some, and then put this back. It's a metal cover, and I really like it. That's why I kept it, because it doesn't get beat up. I used to work for the corporate office of a long-term care pharmacy, so got all kinds of swag. The back is fake leather, and there was a little pen holder thing. It's actually, for being a notepad, it's really nice. Okay, so we're almost done. I'm pretty sure tea candles are in here. Well, it still feels like it. Yep, guys, there are tea candles in there. They smell good, so I don't think they're all unscented. That's probably definitely not. Maybe this will go in the basement as like emergency supplies. This little tin, I'm definitely keeping it. Both of my all my grandparents have passed at this point, and my mom's mom gave me this a long time ago. So this will go in the basement as emergency supplies. Alright, so we have one thing left on this shelf, which is, it's hilarious because I got a Steelers shirt on today, but I'm a Ravens fan. So I have a Ravens 2-pocket folder. And I don't think there's anything in it. I could be wrong. Yeah. It's empty. I think this should go with office supplies. Yeah, so it shouldn't go there. So, short of these, which we've already walked through, I now have an empty shelf. This is where I want to keep my miscellaneous works in progress. So, I actually have 2 over here. One of them is technically a UFO. I'm going to pull this one out. Not going to bother changing the bag right now, but we've already talked about that. Excuse me. And this is a cross-stitch project, which is the, you can't quite see it, it's the Baby Steps UFO that I talked about. So it can also live here. Okay, so I'm going to pause and go distribute all this crap that's on my lap to where it needs to go.